Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. For the good girl, one time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Be going out for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. For the good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
On my mind, I pass my bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married, we should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little thing. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. What you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Be going out for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. For the good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
How can I love somebody else? How can I love somebody else?
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula Hair, and today you guys, I'm reviewing this long, I feel like we've seen this unit a lot over the years, and I had to just bring it back one time because I really like how this colorway complements my skin tone. I love the brown and blonde highlights in it, and it's just a really gorgeous unit. I feel like it's universal. It definitely works for a lot of different skin tones, and the best part about it is that if you don't want to, you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots on this one. However, I did customize this unit and I did bleach the knots on this unit. However, I forgot to pluck it. I don't know how I forgot to pluck it, but I definitely forgot to pluck it. But even though I did that, it doesn't change anything. It still looks great, and I love that about it. When I did the baby hairs on this unit, I did pluck the baby hairs just so they're not like super thick and dense. But other than that, this unit was absolutely amazing. And because I am rocking the blonde and brown hair, I decided to pair it with like a nice chocolate top. This top is just so cute. I love like the sleeves on here as well. So this unit is a 13x4 unit. Here is an up close look at the unit so you guys can really get into this colorway. This is an up close look at the unit. Like I said, it has this really beautiful blonde and brown highlights in it. Absolutely love it. And as far as the texture, I believe that this is a Jerry curly texture. I'm not exactly sure. It almost gives like kinky curly in a sense, but I do believe that this is a Jerry curly texture. I do currently have it in 24 inches. As far as the density, I'm not exactly sure, but it is a pretty dense unit. I'm gonna bring all of the hair up front so you guys can see exactly what it's giving. I would say this is a good like 180% to 200% density. Anytime that I wear this colorway, it just reminds me of like the early 2000s Beyonce era, because she used to wear her hair like this all the time, like in this type of colorway, and it looks really good on everyone. As you guys can see, it works for lighter complexions or deeper skin tones like myself, and it just looks absolutely amazing. I actually really like this. And I haven't done it in a while, so I just wanted to, like, you know, run this back one time for the one time. I just added a simple middle part in it. I didn't do anything too crazy. I love units like this because they're very quick and easy to install. It doesn't take a lot to make them look good. As far as the curls on this hair, I did use a foaming mousse off camera, and I used the argan oil foaming mousse, but I did add that to the hair just to, like, make the curls a little bit more defined, so it's not just like a big old, like, puffy afro, you know. And then this is an up close look at the hairline. Like I said, I didn't pluck this unit, but I'm not mad at it. It doesn't look like crazy or anything like that. I mean, it's a little bit thicker up in here, but I mean, I have my hair in the middle part, so that's why I was like, it doesn't really matter because you can't see it anyway. And then this is the parting space. Also off camera, I did put some concealer in the part here just to help it stand out a little bit more, because sometimes when you have a unit that's like this thick and this colorway, you can't really see the lace like that. It definitely helps bring out the part a lot more so you can actually see it, because I feel like before, like, you can see that there was a part, but you couldn't really see the part. The concealer that I did use for my part is the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. So if you are of my skin tone, that is the concealer that I usually use for my parts to help them stand out. And it works for, you know, any color, whether you're wearing red hair, blonde hair, brown hair, you know, this colorway, or just, you know, your standard natural black or brown hair. And I also use some makeup on the lace. I don't have any lace tint spray at the moment because I actually ordered some lace tint spray online, but they sent me light beige. So if any of you guys are like of a really light skin tone and you need some lace tint spray, definitely comment down below, hit me up. You can DM me on Instagram and let me know like that you want it, because I'm gonna give it away for free because I literally can't use it. So I do have to order some more. I don't know how they messed that up. And the cool part about it is that Ebin New York does not accept returns or exchanges. So if you do order anything from their website, you're pretty much stuck with it. You can't, you know, return anything. Even if it's like wrapped up in the plastic still, you still can't return it, because I haven't even opened it. I just looked and saw that this is not the right color. And then I even went back to like my order number to see like, did I make that mistake or did they make a mistake in sending me the wrong color? And somehow, like when I selected my color, it didn't register when I checked out online. So it is what it is. I'm kind of upset about it, but nonetheless, because of that, I did have to use my foundation on the lace today, and I still feel like it melted really well. It still looks really good. You know, I'll come up close so you guys can see. And I also want to say that I really like how the lace melted on this unit. The lace looks absolutely amazing. There's no like really obvious line of demarcation, and that is thanks to the Ebin New York adhesive spray. This is the Wonder Lace. This is the Wonder Lace Bond, and I do have it in extreme firm hold. This is what it looks like. I've been using this a lot in a lot of my installs lately, and I am really liking this because it's helping my installs look a lot better. I feel like when I was just using the Got To Be Glue gel, like the line of demarcation was like so obvious. It was like standing out a lot more than I would like. So I'm happy that, you know, we have something that looks a little bit more natural. However, on this part down here, I did use the Got To Be just to make sure that it's like secure on the edges, but other than that, I didn't use it anywhere else. And like I said, even without plucking it, I think it still looks really good. So I like this install a lot. I think a lot of you guys will enjoy it as well. If you've never tried it, definitely give it a try, especially if you are of a deeper skin tone. I really like this color on this. I think it just looks really good, and it's a great way to wear like blonde without doing too much. You know, it's just a nice hint of it, and it has a nice color balance as well. I think they did a really good job with this. It looks just gorgeous all the way through. Now, when it comes to a curl pattern like this, because the curls are so tight, I do want to let you know that this unit is definitely going to be a high maintenance unit. So make sure that you are detangling it daily. Anytime that you do detangle your hair, you always want to start at the ends and then work your way up to the root. You never want to comb from like the root and just like comb it down, because it's going to cause it to like mat up and get even more tangled. So definitely work from the ends and then work your way up to the root. Make sure at night that you are wearing a silk bonnet if you are going to keep the the unit on. Use some type of conditioner and water to help moisturize the hair, especially because this hair was processed to get this color. You really want to stay on top of the moisture. Because the curls are a lot tighter, it definitely makes the hair look a little bit shorter than what it is. However, this is a 24-inch unit, very standard. So those are my thoughts on this unit from Nadula Hair. If any of you guys are interested in checking this out and giving it a try yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.